Today, a judge cleared half of the police officers accused of using excessive force from any wrongdoing. The civil trial against 8 Fort Wayne police officers started last week. Rudy Escobedo's family says the police department used excessive force in his shooting death in 2005. Escobedo called 911 threatening to shoot himself. After a 4-hour standoff, police used tear gas and flashbangs to enter his apartment. Officers said Escobedo had a gun and that is why they shot him.
Meanwhile, the defense began presenting its case today. News Channel 15 has been in the courtroom from the very beginning. Tonight, our Drew Blair continues our coverage from the federal courthouse. Drew?
Yeah, Mark, 2 of the 4 Fort Wayne police officers on trial took the stand today. All 4 were considered supervisors on that standoff scene. Sergeant Kevin Hunter was first to provide testimony. He was on the stand for 2.5 hours. He led the crisis response team in charge of the people negotiating with Escobedo. Attorneys asked him a lot about negotiations, like was enough time given before officers launched tear gas, or was any progress ever really made with Escobedo. Retired Deputy Chief Doug Luker also took the stand. He had an interesting and actually somewhat disconnected role during the standoff. Someone else of the same rank was already on the scene when he got there. So he stepped back and left for a while and came back later to see if he could help at all. Luker testified that while he wasn't really involved in the decision-making process, that he agrees with what police did. He says he would have acted in the same ways. The defense plans to call a few more witnesses, so we should expect this trial to last several more days before the defense rests its case. Reporting live from the federal courthouse, Drew Blair, News Channel 15.